Now that we have created this document, we are now at the breakpoint at which we can save time. So what we're going to do is save our entire project now as a template. And to do that, we're going to go to our projects link. We're then going to go to templates. And once we are inside of the template screen, what we're going to do is click this link that says make a template from an existing project. And then we're going to choose this link that says copy to a new template. Then Basecamp is going to copy our project into a template. Now, although this is not an instant process, it typically does not take a long time. We're now going to go to the new template. And basically, we have our base document. That document now appears among our project templates. Now, the reason this matters is because we will save a lot of time when we need to create projects in the future, especially if we're repeating aspects of projects that we've done in the past. And so what we'll need to do is we'll need to click New Project. And then we are going to say we'd like to start a project, and we're going to choose our template that we just created. And of course, we're going to rename our project. And then we can publish the new project and start to use it. Now in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to delete this project because we're not going to use it. But once you create a template, it's as simple as being able to use that template and save all the time that we put in creating these elements for a project. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.